how to change date format in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change date format in Microsoft Excel. If your dates look confusing or are not in the format you want, this video will fix that in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Excel and select the cells that contain the date that you want to change. Now go to the Home tab at the top, and then you need to go to the date option. It's in the number section. So now you can just go ahead and tap on the drop down, and here you can see short date or long date. You can see the preview, how it looks. So you'll see different formats, which starts with date, month, year, or you can see there is the day of the week, then the full month and the year. So just choose the one of your choice. I want long date, so I'll just tap on it, and there you go. It's as simple as that. The date has been changed automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.